Today, in this video, I will tell you how to find local suppliers in any country for your Shopify dropshipping store. If you follow these steps, you will get high-ticket suppliers for your store. So, watch until the end. Before we find suppliers, first create your Shopify store. If you need to learn how to create a Shopify store, I already made a video that you can check out from the link in the description. After creating your store, choose your niche and find a winning product. If you don't know how to find a winning product, don't worry. I also made a video on how to find winning products for your dropshipping store. You can find the link in the description. After creating your store and finding your niche and products, now we are going to find suppliers. The real way to find suppliers has always been through thorough research. You need to search on Google while doing niche research, identify your future competitors, and then get approved by the dropshipping suppliers they use. This process worked 10 years ago and still works today. To do that, simply use Google and search for your niche. Then go through the top results and look through their stores, trying to find out who their suppliers are. We want their dropship suppliers to be our suppliers. So there are a few different ways to find your competitors' suppliers. Once you're on their websites, look for sections that say something like brands, manufacturers. I hope you understand some points. If not, don't worry, I will give you a demo. First, create your Excel sheet like this. 1. Website name. 2. Website links. 3. Emails. 4. Phone numbers. 5. Contact US page. When you don't get an email or phone number, paste the supplier's website contact US page link here. 6. Product name. If you want to find suppliers in the USA, I will give you the 3 best websites where you can find suppliers using this method. Open your browser and search for Best Buy. Open the first website and search for products according to your niche. For now, let's suppose I am looking for gaming accessories, so I want to find suppliers for headphones. In the search box, type headphones. On the left, you will see a list of brands. Click on See More to expand the list. Now, we have these brands, and we will search for the websites of these brands one by one. Let's start with the first brand. Copy the name, open a new tab, paste the name, and search. Open the first website that appears. Scroll down to the footer. And if you see an affiliate program link, that means this website allows dropshipping. Next, open the Contact Us page of this website. Copy the link to this page and paste it into the Contact Us page column in your Excel sheet. Also, copy the website link, paste it into the appropriate column, and write the name in the website name column. Copy the email and phone number and paste them into the corresponding columns. Let's find one more brand. Copy the second brand name and search for it on Google. Open the website and scroll down. If you see an option for partners and suppliers, that means this website also allows dropshipping. Click on this link and copy the page URL, then paste it into the sheet. Also, enter the website name and website link. If this website provides a phone number, copy it, but if there is no email, you can skip that column. When searching for suppliers, be patient because this process takes time. However, believe me, this process is the best. Visit different websites and different niches to build a list of hundreds of dropshipping suppliers. I recommend finding at least 100 suppliers for the best results. After completing your supplier list, contact them one by one using the phone numbers and emails you collected. Always remember, when contacting suppliers, you should have a demo store ready. Otherwise, a supplier may not reply to you. So I recommend creating your store first. So that's how you find local suppliers. You can apply this process for any country. I hope you liked this video. If you did, let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more Shopify tutorials.